Good morning, everybody.
Hi.
Hi, you're so friendly. We are back again today. I am going to try and be a bit more productive today. I have a mountain of laundry that needs to be washed. There's a closet that I want to get organized and hopefully also get the bathroom cleaned before Sophia and Xavier get home from school. Nick is working out. Amelia and I just got ready and we are going to try and get all this stuff done. Here's all of our laundry. I swear to God, I skip one day of washing clothes and it's looks like this. It's crazy. Is it from you? And then this is the closet that I want to clean out. It's kind of a random selection of stuff. Some stuff just needs to be organized. Some stuff needs to be thrown away. It just seems like it's a closet where everything gets thrown, and I know it's not going to look like perfect, but it needs to be a little more organized. So every time when we open this closet, it's not like, holy crap. So that is something else I want to get done today. Okay, the closet is better organized now. All of the bathroom stuff is on one shelf, the food is on one shelf. This is tablecloths and plates and plastic silverware for when people come over, extra cleaning stuff, my makeup, and then on the floor I made room for when we get another thing of toilet paper and a package of paper towels. We get those from Sam's Club, so it's usually a large amount at a time. So the closet looks a lot better than it did before. And now we are heading upstairs to the kids area. I don't clean their room on a regular basis, but I do go up there to pick up like their dirty clothes, make the beds, dust, vacuum, those kind of things that they don't do like how I do it. So normally they're in charge of picking up the floor and keeping it like generally clean. But today I just did it all so it could all be done at once. And plus they like coming home to having their room clean and having their beds all made. And on to the bathroom. So today I'm not doing like a super deep clean, but I just want to have it like cleaned up and nice looking and smelling good. So I'm putting away everything on the counter that needs to go in the cabinet, picking up the towels, and then just wiping down all the surfaces. I like on a daily cleanup, I wouldn't normally clean the mirror, but for some reason the mirror was super dirty. So I did clean that off. And then I wiped down the counters and the toilet and just got everything looking nice. I do try and do this every day. I don't always do it, but I do try and get it done. It obviously doesn't stay like this, otherwise I wouldn't have to do it every day, but it is nice to enjoy it for a little while. The tile on the floor in the bathroom gets especially like you can see everything on it. So after I blow dry my hair, like there's a ton of hair on the floor and it's just kind of gross. So I wipe up the floor every day, sometimes twice a day, just with Lysol wipes, and that seems to help a lot, but it doesn't take long to just wipe stuff down and kind of organize the counter and make it look nice. So that's what I was focused on today. So there you have it. I completed my to-do list with the exception of the laundry. That will take the rest of the day. So thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye.